Tired of losing customers because your support sleeps at night? What if an AI could close your sales 24/7, better than a human? Welcome to the future of customer service for Shopify. Meet VanChat, an ultra-smart AI chatbot powered by GPT-4o, Claude 3, and more. It doesn't just answer your customers, it sells to them, day or night, with accurate, human-like conversations. Let's dive in. Men, what is VanChat? VanChat is an AI chatbot specially designed for Shopify stores. It replaces human agents, handles complex pre-sale questions, and closes more sales automatically. Think of it as your tireless sales assistant working around the clock. Real-time learning, real results. Unlike basic bots, VanChat auto-learns from your store. It reads your product descriptions, policies, even images, without you lifting a finger. You can even feed it PDFs, Excel sheets, or extra data to supercharge its brain. The result? Crystal clear, context-aware answers that boost confidence and drive conversions. When customers ask for suggestions, VanChat acts like your best salesperson. It compares specs, suggests pairings, gives size guides, and even recommends bundles. Confused shoppers become confident buyers, and that means more revenue for you. VanChat doesn't just wait for questions. It actively pops up product suggestions, alerts customers about new arrivals, and applies discount nudges. It's like having a salesperson in every customer's browser. Need a real person to step in? No problem. VanChat connects to WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and more for smooth handoffs. The transition is flawless, and so is your customer experience. Installing VanChat is as easy as clicking a button. No coding, no stress, just sync your Shopify store, and VanChat does the rest in under a minute. Even your grandma could do it. VanChat tracks everything. Sales it helps close, orders it drives, and the ROI it delivers. Most users see over 1,500% return on investment. Yes, 1,500%. Let that sink in. One-time payment, lifetime access. Here's the kicker. You pay once, just $59, and own VanChat for life. No monthly bills, no hidden fees, just smart selling forever. So, why lose sales when you can close them on autopilot? Click the link below, grab VanChat, and start converting visitors into lifelong customers today. Your store deserves smarter support. VanChat is it.